In this tutorial, I'll show you how to save charts in TradingView. By the end, you'll know how to save your chart layout, rename layouts to keep different setups organized, load a previous chart layout, save your indicator templates, and take clear snapshots of your chart. First, let's save your current chart layout. Look to the top right of the chart for the layout menu. It usually shows unnamed or the current layout name. Click that menu, then click Save. This stores everything on your screen right now, including all active indicators and any drawings you've added. You don't need to change anything else, just confirm the save so your current setup is preserved. Next, rename your layout to keep things organized. Still in the same area, click the drop-down arrow next to the layout name. Choose Rename, type a clear or descriptive name that helps you recognize this setup later, then confirm. Renaming doesn't change your chart. It simply labels this saved workspace so you can find it quickly in the future. Now, load a previous chart layout. Open the same layout menu and select Load Chart Layout. From here, choose the saved workspace you want to open. Your chart will switch to that saved layout, including its indicators and drawings. Don't worry, loading a different layout doesn't delete anything. You can always come back to the one you were using by loading it again from this list. Next, save your indicator setup separately using indicator templates. Look for the indicator templates icon near the top of the chart. It's the one with 4 small squares. Click it, then choose Save Indicator Template. This stores your current indicator combination and settings as a reusable template. Give the template a clear name so you can quickly apply it to any chart later. Templates are useful when you want the same indicators across multiple symbols without changing your entire chart layout. Finally, take a snapshot of your chart. In the top right toolbar, click the camera icon. Use this to download an image of your current chart or copy it so you can paste it elsewhere. The snapshot captures exactly what's visible on your screen: price action, indicators, drawings, and the time frame. Taking a snapshot does not change your saved layout. It simply gives you an image you can share or store for reference. To recap the workflow on screen, save your chart layout from the layout menu to keep your indicators and drawings intact. First, rename it from the same drop-down so you can identify it later. Load a previous chart layout from that menu whenever you need to switch workspaces. Save your indicator setup through the Indicator Templates icon so the same indicators are one click away on any chart. And use the camera icon to quickly export a clean chart image. Each action is available from the top toolbar area, so once you know where to click, moving between layouts, templates, and snapshots becomes fast and reliable. At this point, you've successfully learned how to save charts in TradingView, rename and load chart layouts, preserve indicator setups with templates, and capture snapshots for sharing or documentation. Everything is set up and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.